To get started, launch the Telegram app on your phone. Next, tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can capture a photo or video using the camera, or tap Gallery to select an existing image or video. You can add text, stickers, drawings, or filters, and use the @mention or location tag if needed. When you are done, tap Next in the bottom right corner. From here, you can select who can view your story. Below, you will see an option called Allow Screenshots, which is enabled by default. Simply tap the slider next to it to disable it. A notification will slide down from the top, confirming that downloading, sharing, and taking screenshots will be disabled for this story. And finally, tap on Post Story. Your story has been posted, and no one will be able to download, share, or take screenshots of it. So that's how you can prevent screenshots and sharing on your Telegram stories.